Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Tech. We are going to show you how to design a 3D print model of a drone. We have used CATIA V5 software for designing of the drone. The drone has been designed according to its standard and it is shown on the screen. To import this CATIA V5 drone model into the 3D printing device, we need to save the file in STL format instead of a CAD part. Here, STL stands for Standard Tessellation Language. From CATIA, we have incorporated into the slicing software. Here, the STL files are sliced and they are converted into G codes and preferable codes based on the types of 3D printers used. The sliced model is then connected to the printers directly or by means of a USB. The model is then printed layer by layer depending on the resolution given in the slicer software. In our next video, we will be posting a complete 3D printing of a drone model. So guys, please comment, share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.